What is email marketing? Have you ever wondered what is email marketing? Do you often wonder what it's aimed for? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of email marketing? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about what is email marketing. Now let's get into it. When talking about email marketing, what comes to mind to so many individuals are the various hindrances that may be encountered in the future. However, like all strategies, there are setbacks and consequences to be had in the way of notable progress in a marketing campaign. Email marketing is the use of the electronic mail or email facility in order to reach a wide range of potential customers or readers when offering products and services. Simply put, it is marketing via email. Email marketing also has the potential of becoming very much relevant, inasmuch as it has been known to respond to reader queries and provide them the information they need. Email marketing, of course, does not go off without any negative perception from society. Many individuals see themselves as greatly inconvenienced by email marketing, which is at times classified as spam. However, it has come a long way since the early days of a complete and absolute negative stigma of email marketing. Now people have the right to choose what they find useful and suitable content arriving into their inboxes. An alternate definition of email marketing, however, is when a company continues to foster communication with existing clients in order to enhance the service being offered and the relationship in existence. These are all done with the intent of gaining customer loyalty and patronage. What it's aimed for. Email marketing, in either definitional paradigm, aims for the end of loyalty and patronage. If email marketing were to be used on potential clients, the role that the strategy has to play is that of trying to transform readers into real clients. The same idea holds true for existing clients. If existing clients were to receive continuous checkups and evaluation of the service offered, the perception of forwarding the satisfaction of the customers would be made even clearer. The legality of receiving an article of email marketing is unquestioned when the customer being serviced is that with which the company has had previous transactions with. A pre-existing business relationship may vary, but it may very well be someone from whom the company has previously requested information from, or someone who has bought or acquired the services of the company. This implies a level of consent that must be present in all the emails that will be used in email marketing campaigns. Clarity of consent. It is imperative that companies make sure that the persons they are sending emails to are those they have had previous transactions with and are in good standing with each of them. There is a necessity to keep close track to each and every email address being added to the list of clients, because similarly, it would be easy to duly evaluate consent in each and every scenario. While companies may want to carry on with their aggressive marketing strategies, their interests must be balanced with the rights of individuals against marketing strategies that are far too aggressive and neglect their rights and wishes. At the end of the day, companies should use subject lines that reflect content, use a valid address, and make arrangements for the recipients to opt out of the service or from receiving future notices and marketing pitches. At the end of the day, email marketing works because of its low cost and its far-reaching capacities. However, because there are no singular restrictions as to how it may be used without going to the extent of the legal borderline behavior, companies that wish to use it in its full potency must in return expect a degree of compromise to be made, compromises that will not endanger the company, but may, in the long run, help build a healthy corporate image. Email marketing is impression marketing. There is no such thing as 100% response to email marketing, even if you were giving your merchandise away with free shipping. You have to understand that not even your most loyal customers are going to fully review every email marketing item you send. Those that do read the email from your business may not be at a place where they need your product or service at the time you send it. So, what is the point in continuing to send email marketing items if there is only a relatively small chance of response? The primary reason for email marketing is what I like to call impression marketing. The email you send may hit a few people at the right time, and a purchase is taken care of. However, in most cases the end user is left with another impression of your business, even if they don't actually open the email. Since this is true, you should always make sure the subject line includes the name of your business first, followed by a compelling title for the email message. Because we all receive a variety of spam messages, the use of your business name gives the email added weight in the eyes of the recipient. They may not read it, but they are likely to be less hostile to email from someone they have done business with before. Besides, it gets your name before the customers again. Impression marketing, or SEO. Impression marketing is a bit like search engine optimization, SEO. In both cases, you do a lot of hard work with very little in the way of immediate results. In both cases, these two marketing functions take a long-range view, knowing there will come a time when the hard work will pay off. Impression marketing takes your efforts and brings results much later than you expect. While that may sound bad, it also brings results that are often far greater than your effort. This can be seen in the planting of a corn seed. The single seed grows into a stalk that can produce more than 1 ear of corn. The net result is a yield of hundreds of kernels of corn in exchange for the one kernel planted. Again, the corn doesn't produce a stalk and fully developed ears overnight, but it does provide a great return given time. The same is true for impression marketing. When you give it time and consistently maintain that long-range view, the use of SEO and email marketing begin to make sense. You may not see the traffic you hope for immediately, but you may be able to view your stats in the future and see that looking long-range is a great way to prepare for your future. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about what is email marketing. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also, subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.